Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you the biggest opportunity for 2022 passed outs. That is Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt for 2022 passed outs. I'll discuss all the details regarding this opening. Registrations for Elite NTH 2022 will be open from 23rd August 2021. And the online assessment will be tentatively held between 20 September 2021 to 25th September 2021. The registrations are already started, so apply as soon as possible. Coming to the eligibility criteria, from 10th to graduation, that is 10th standard, 12th standard, and in graduation, the percentage must be 60% or above. Only full-time candidates can apply for this. From 10th to graduation, and year of passing must be 2022. Qualification can be BE or BTech, ME or MTech students. All branches are eligible from the above qualification, and there are some exception domains. Those are fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology. These candidates are not eligible. Currently, they are hiring for the designation, that is a project engineer. For this project engineer designation, the compensation is 3.5 lakh per annum. There is a service agreement for this company Wipro, that is 12 months. If you break the bond, you have to pay 75,000 to them. There is a age limit, that is you must have 25 years or below, and some of the other criteria are first one is one backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stage. If you have more than one backlog, then you are not eligible. Second criteria is the offer will be subject to all backlogs being clear. That is, you must don't have any backlogs at the time of joining. Third criteria is maximum 3 years education gap is allowed from 10th onwards until graduation. Fourth criteria is you should have a full-time degree course recognized by central or state government of India. Fifth criteria is all areas and backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection process, means in interview stage. Sixth criteria is candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in last 6 months, those people are not eligible. Seventh criteria is you should be a Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding a passport of any other country. Eighth criteria is Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. Coming to the selection process, first one is online assessment, second one is technical interview, and final one is HR round. The pattern for the online assessment is the total time duration for the online assessment is 128 minutes. Three sections will be there in your online assessment. First one is aptitude test. Second section is written communication test. Third section is online programming test. In first section, that is aptitude test, the questions might come from logical ability, quantitative aptitude, and verbal ability. The total time duration for the section 1 is 48 minutes. Second section is written communication, that is essay writing. Time duration for second section is only 20 minutes. They will give you one scenario, based on that you have to create an essay on that. Third section is online programming. Totally two coding questions will be given. Time duration for this online programming test is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. You can code the program either in Java or C or C++ or Python. This is the test pattern for online assessment. Coming to the technical and HR round, I already posted interview experience of Wipro in previous videos. I am providing the link in the description. You can see that video for experience. One more important thing is Last date to apply for Wipro is 15th September 2021. You need to create a superset account for applying Wipro. The online test platform is the AMCAT. So prepare AMCAT materials to crack the online assessment. These are all the details or overview for this role. If you like the video, please like the video and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, you can comment me down or else post that question in our Telegram group provided in the description. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.